All right, welcome to the webinar thank you page, and this is the live view of the page, what it looks like. So as you can see, there's a little spot for a video, your logo up here. They can print this page. It has the time of the webinar on there and buttons where they can connect to Outlook, Google, and add it in their calendars. And then there's a spot down here where you can give them a free gift and they can like your page on Facebook. So let's pop over into the live editor and I'll show you exactly how to use this thing. Alright, so if you want to change out the logo, that is over here in the layout settings, and then scroll down, and right here it's this banner image. You can replace this with your own logo. Change the background color of the header right here. I have it matching the gray background and the gray header so it blends in together here like this. All this stuff in here is editable by just clicking on the pencil, and the background over here is, if you want to change that, you click on the pencil. Right here is the top border color, and to change the background color, because I wanted to have a little bit of a space, so that's what that border is. You would come up to the color scheme settings, page color settings, and then overall page colors, and right here is your background color. So you're going to choose that, whatever you want, and then update it there. Up here you can change this headline by just clicking the pencil. Same thing with this one. This is the print screen button. I wouldn't really mess around with this too much. I would kind of just leave it in there. It's a little piece of JavaScript code that will automatically print the page when they click that button. But if you want to put it in a different background than this yellow form, you would click on the little square. Just click the back button here like that, and then scroll down, and then you can choose a different color box. So if you wanted that to be in a blue box instead of a yellow box, you'd select that and then insert it there. The Facebook and social like sharing thing is right here. Click on the pencil to edit it. Your Facebook settings are here, Twitter settings, and all the way down the line you would just fill this stuff in. Your video, same thing. Come in here and you're going to paste in your embed code or URL right here. This is a little feature box. You can click on the box to change the layout and the color of the feature box right there, and what's inside it. You click on the pencil to get in there, and then you can change this stuff by clicking on the pencil again once you're inside and editing the text right there. So on to this section is all in a feature box as well. So if you click on the square, this is the title. If you go back, this is just one of these feature boxes. You can also change this to a different one. This is the one that I'm using right now, but if you'd rather use a green one or a white one or whatever, you can choose that here. Now to edit the stuff inside, you're going to click on the pencil, and then that's how you get to all this stuff inside here. So you can change the icon here. I would just leave all this stuff the same. You don't really need to change that. Host name you would change, and then the date and time of your webinar you would change. And this headline down here, you would click on the pencil to change that out right there. These arrows have a margin on them, so they're raised up like this, and they're not really way down like it looks like in the live editor. So I would just leave these alone and leave those there. You can change out the headline though. So this code right here actually is for these buttons. You don't even have to do anything with this right here. Just leave this completely alone. You don't, well actually there is one thing that you do need to do. You change this link right here to your webinar link that you want people to sign up for. Other than that, if you have a Facebook event you're going to change that right here, or delete this one because this is just a sample event. So you want to get the URL of your Facebook event if you have one to put there, but other than that, if you don't want the Facebook event on there, right there at the end, you would just come in here and delete this whole line right out of there, and that's it. Now it's gone. So other than that, everything else works on its own. So if you want to add this to Google and click on there, it'll automatically do this on your website too, so they can add it as an event in their calendar or Hotmail. Same exact thing. Oh, it's going to make me log in. The Facebook event thing will take you to your Facebook event page, whatever that is, and on and on. But you don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is change this Facebook event link. All these will automatically work for you. So I won't even mess with this code right here. This stuff down here, if you want to change this blue background to another color, click the pencil on the row, and right here is where you do that, and then update it. All this stuff can be edited by clicking on the pencil. This free book thing is inside of a feature box, so to change the feature box, same old thing, click the square, and you can go into advanced options and change the width and height and font and all that stuff. To check the stuff on the inside and customize that, click on the pencil, and same thing in here, click on the pencil to edit that. Swap out this image of this book with your own book. Here is just a download button, and this is the title to this sharing thing, which when you want to change this, you click there. You want to add the URL to like, which would be the URL of this page or the URL of your webinar registration page, and then insert that there and update. And that is it. That's the whole entire thank you page. So use that when sending people through a registration process.